This is Cololight Plus. These are some cool and expensive lights you can get for your room or your gaming setup. The unboxing process is fairly simple. All you get inside the box is your user manual, a stand for the lights if you want to use a stand, a power adapter, some clips to connect each panels, some more clips, and also you get your panels, which is 7 panels in total for this pack. These are some very budget friendly lights compared to many other lights out there you can get for your deck setup or just overall for aesthetics purposes. I'll have links down in the description for you guys if you ever want to check these out. To connect each panel to your preferred design is fairly simple. All you have to do is use the longer piece of clips you get inside the box. Then you want to connect one end of that clip to one side of the panel with double connector ports, then to the other end and the other panel with one port, making a stable connection. It's something like building Legos, and it's nothing hard to do. And the cool part about these lights, you can use the app on your phone to turn the lights on or off. You can create your own lighting presets, Alexa compatibility, so you can ask your smart speaker to turn the lights on if you don't want to use your phone. And I think this is pretty cool to have a part of any setup.